Hey, what is going on guys? It's Tharshey and today we are doing another unboxing and review. This time we are going to be having a look at the Redragon Archelon Gaming Mousepad. So let's just, as you can see, this is the cover or the package itself. The mousepad is in here. The Redragon design looks amazing. I really like this design, gaming mousepad. And yeah, this is just from where it is, Redragon USA. This is the back of it. As you can see, the sticker is unbroken, which shows it hasn't been opened or anything. Features: Redragon Gaming Mousepad enhances the precision of gaming mouse at fast speed, so it helps with precision. Yeah, and that's basically all it says. Anyway, let's open it up and have a look. So I am definitely not going to damage. Not sure if I just cut this open or not. Okay, there you go. This can be pulled off. Okay, that is the Redragon USA sticker. Okay, let's open this up and see how it looks on the inside. Okay. So this is the mouse pad, and that is the front. So it has the Redragon emblem or whatever over here. It actually looks really amazing. It's got red all around. The dragon is in black and it's outlined. So let's actually open this up. Okay guys, so as you can see, it has nice red stitched sides. What this does is it makes sure when you're actually playing with your mouse and stuff, the mouse doesn't just slide off the edge because it is a bit raised. And it also ensures that the mouse pad will last a lot longer because the stitch size will make sure the mouse pad doesn't start unraveling or anything like that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've taken out the plastic now and let's have an in-depth look at it. So if you just look at it, you can see the nice Redragon design here, black and red. You can see the words Archelon, which is the name of the product, and the Redragon light logo. And if you feel this, you can see, you may be able to see it sparkles a bit. I'm not really sure if I hold it up to the camera, you may be able to see that. But if you feel this, it's very smooth, but it's not completely smooth. And what this does is it actually ensures your mouse doesn't just slide too fast, and it ensures the mouse actually has traction on the pad, and the mouse tracks properly when you're using it. So you don't want a mouse to just not track correctly and then it won't work properly. So this actually ensures that it does that. You can see the nice red sides as well. It's stitched so it has a lot longer lifespan, so it won't just unravel and the mouse pad won't just get damaged like that. And if you actually take a mouse, right, so if you just take a mouse and you put it on here and you just see it moves really smoothly. You can do it with one finger and it moves perfectly. This mouse is actually pretty heavy, but it slides and it glides very nicely over this. You can see if you're gaming, it's nice and easy to do this. And also, the reason why this mouse pad is good, while this side is really nice, this side is actually a bit more rougher, I guess you would say, and this actually ensures it doesn't slide. If you do this, it's just gonna slide, but if you have it on this side, you can see it doesn't slide. It won't slide at all. So that actually ensures it stays and it grips the table or the surface properly, and that your thing doesn't slide while you're gaming, especially if you're moving your hand a lot. So if you're doing this, the mousepad ain't gonna slide, while if it was this way, it would definitely slide. So this material is very nice, it's very rough, it has good grip. The front material is very good for the mouse. It won't damage this underpart here, which actually grips the thing. It's got good tracking capabilities, and it's a very good quality mousepad. All in all, I would definitely recommend you guys check this out. It's the Redragon Archelon Gaming Mousepad. Or if you guys want to go for a more expensive one, feel free. There's also cheaper versions of this that are smaller. Anyway, if you guys do enjoy the video, please do drop a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.